Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of passive voice, a key grammar concept that can take your English skills to new heights. In this video, will unravel the mystery of passive voice and explore how it's used in English. But before we embark on this journey, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on any of our language lessons. Grab a notebook, it's time to master passive voice together. Let's get started. Question number 1 is right around the corner. Are you ready? Let's dive in. The cake was eaten by the children. The letter was written by the author. The book was read in one sitting. The movie was watched last night. The building was designed by a famous architect. The song was sung beautifully. The painting was created by the artist. The car was driven carefully. The story was told by my grandmother. The problem was solved quickly.